Hello, welcome back to another video. This Saturday morning we took a trip to an animal farm with Karim to show him the place. There's something magical about spending time surrounded by nature and animals. It was a peaceful and fun experience and we can't wait to share it with you. After getting our tickets, we stepped inside and began exploring the farm. The first stop was an indoor area where Karim got to see some birds, including parrots. But the real adventure began outside, where we started with the goats. We had a small bag of dry food, which we could use to feed them and later other animals as well. Karim was so curious and excited, and it was amazing to see his reactions up close. Next, we stopped to watch the sheep. They were calm and gentle, curiously looking at us as we fed them. After that, we made our way to the ponies. These small horses had so much charm and Karim loved watching them up close. But the real highlight came when we reached the donkeys. There was something special about them. Their big, curious eyes and friendly nature made a strong impression on us. They seemed almost as interested in us as we were in them. Just like the other animals, we had a chance to feed them, which made the experience even more interactive and fun. As we continued walking around, Karim was absolutely delighted. He loved every moment of feeding the animals and watching them up close. With each stop, his excitement only grew, and it was amazing to see how much joy these simple moments brought him. Yes, we are in the farm, animals farm. Anna, how do you like this place? What is your feeling when we came here? Do you think Karim is happy?
Yes, it is very nice and we can feed animals.
Yes, we bought special food for them, like dry food.
Yes, indeed. Some grass dry. And, we can feed them and I like because Karim likes.
Yes, he's interested very much. And can you say what animals do you like the best?
I didn't saw all, but the goats I like very much.
Yes, the same as me. The goats. Yes.
Karim is singing some specific.
Yes, because in Romania we have some traditional song, Caprița ta. It's the song about goats, and yes, and that's why Karim likes very much to see the goats here in that place. Yes, Karim, don't be afraid. Karim doesn't understand so much in English because we are used to speak Polish and Romanian with him, but for that video I will speak in English. As you can see, he likes very much animals and these animals makes him happy. I think so. And what is your opinion? Let your comments below. Karim, come to see ostrich. Here is some a bird. You are so high. But I'm afraid of him. The farm had such a peaceful atmosphere, making it the perfect place to slow down and enjoy the connection with nature. This was such a wonderful day, filled with family moments, new experiences and lots of fun. Karim was truly happy and he enjoyed every moment of it so much that he didn't want to leave. It was one of those simply yet unforgettable days that remind us how precious time spent together is. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.